All your life problems, I can make them go away. Astrology and numerology together creates a very powerful chart. Very accurate results. Happiness, success, love, friendship. All your life problems, I can solve. Don't believe me? Check out my testimonials.
I didn't know what to do. I got my parents to find out. They sent me back to boarding school. Do you know what they do to kids like me in boarding school? But thanks to King Cobra, Baba, I don't have to pay 2 of them.
Dude, like, before, I couldn't even talk to my grandma. But like, now I can. Thanks to King Cobra Baba, I can ask him for things like food and like chicken and like more chicken and like chicken. Dude.
Before King Cobra Baba, never got the question. But now, my bread gets me all the classes, all my classes. So, where's my $5?
It seems that young people today are only know material.
Well, what seems to be the problem? I don't know. She never knows what I'm saying. She always sending me mixed signals. I always keep her updated, but she never does the same.
Oh, are you guys connected?
Yeah, we connect every night.
Well, this is my advice for you. You should try reminding her how much you love her.
You know what, King Cobra Baba? You're right. Hey Siri, I love you so much.
Love is an unpredictable phenomenon. A young man, a foreign country, and no friends. That sounds like a big problem. What can King Cobra Baba possibly do?
King Cobra Baba, as I moved to America and I'm having problem body, problem finding friends.
Oh, you need friends? I know just the right people for you. Now that you have these new friends, you guys should go out. Go to the club.
Here, guys, I want to know 2 club. Club Dia and Club Air. Which one is more rocking, bros?
I heard that Club Dia, that one is first class.
Yeah, bro. They even have $2 Tuesday.
$2 Tuesdays? What is that?
Arey, $2 lassi, yaar.
Arey yaar, then what are you waiting for? Get out of here! So, ladies and gentlemen, what did we learn about love? What did we learn about friendship? Yeah, Gavin. Yeah, दोस्ती है.
sick, give him a call at 1-800-816-1996.